Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing up for Remitly. Remitly is a digital remittance service on a mission to make the money transfer process faster, affordable and more transparent. Because they are a digital service without any physical locations, Remitly is able to keep their costs low and pass those savings on to its customers. So if you want to find out how you can sign up for Remitly, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open the app. After that, tap on the option Join Now. Now you'll be asked to select the country from where you are sending, and then you need to change the country where you are sending to. After that, tap on Next. Now you'll be asked to create a profile. To do so, you need to enter the email address and then create a password for your account. Your password should contain at least 8 characters. After that, tap on Join Remitly and then follow the further instructions provided. Finally, you'll be able to sign up for Remitly. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.